Now I've just opened the 2-digit display manager LabVIEW project. Let's take a look at the host-based prototype of the subVI called Manage 2-digit display that ultimately will reside on the FPGA target. Now ultimately I will have one subVI that actually establishes the connection, and that's the lower loop down here. So for purposes of host development, I connect to my transparent FPGA, establish the connections to all of the LED digit segments, and at the end can close that reference. This lower loop then reads the value in the global variable called toDisplay. Then I'll use another subVI ultimately to write the value of that global value or global variable. So I will use another subVI to format the 16-bit value and then connect those 16 bits out to the 2-digit display. Here we're looking at the global variable itself. Note that it has no block diagram. It's just an indicator or control on the front panel. Now, as far as what will be necessary on the subVI called Manage 2-digit display, it will pull apart the 16-bit word into two 8-bit quantities and then ultimately extract the individual bit lines from those 8-bit values and send those at the moment to the transparent FPGA, but ultimately those would connect directly to the 2-digit display lines. Ultimately this push button will disappear, but I'm just leaving that in there for now. I'm pasting this loop at 100 milliseconds, as is the loop on top. Now I'm ready then to continue development on the details of what happens in the top loop.